like you mean it. How's my bum get a gravel rash? So today we're going to get some footage of this thing getting a bit of road tune. I'm going to be sitting down there because there's not an extra seat, and we're going to see from this view coming up our driveway.
That isn't a public road.
Shh. This car is, we gave it a bit of a rev tune when it was getting set up, and it had a problem with the drive shaft hitting the tunnel or a bar or something. But Jamie went out and won the North Island Champs. And so he's getting ready for the New Zealand Champs. Hopefully going to go a bit faster. It's actually running a little Link Monsoon, wired by Mike. He actually learned something in his time that he was here.
Calvin needs a stepping stool to get into a lowered Falcon.
I don't want to catch my testicles on the side like the guy doing the circuit on the seat.
You comfy in there?
I'm comfy. Now hold around the bar and we're good. Good boy. Key on? Watch out, let's go! How's that start? Good boy. pretty good to me.
Yeah, no, feels pretty nice.
Right, that's awesome. Shut it down. I said when I got a new laptop, I wouldn't use it for tuning like this, and I wouldn't put it on boats. It's been on boats. It's
Yeah,
covered in
so
dust.
nice.
Yeah. So that feels good?
Yeah, no, it feels really good.
It's quite dusty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite dusty.
I thought I'd just stay behind you guys, and then yeah, no, it didn't work too well. So,
You couldn't keep up, eh?
well, I could have kept up. Well, most of it, but the dust. It was all right going down this side.
Yeah, I wasn't hammering it
And
down.
as soon as you went up the other side, it was like holy shit.
Yeah.
So what? This Falcon, end of life Falcon, you stick some monkey bars in it, and you go racing.
You go racing, yeah. And you beat each other up.
Oh, it's full contact.
Full contact, yeah. Yeah.
You should probably take some videos of the contact points.
Oh, you look around the cage.
Yeah,
Shall I look around the cage?
on the outside.
Can you take my laptop? Because you just unplug it. Thanks. I've got to get out of here. Glad my drum's still here. So you've actually got some specs you've got to build these to, don't you?
Yeah.
So there's some regulations on how much bar work you've got to put in. It's broken.
Yeah, it's a wall.
That only did one race. It was fully. The
Yeah.
whole corner was fully rebuilt
I
before the
rebuilt
last race.
that corner before the last race, and yeah, hit the wall.
Hard.
Rather hard, yes.
Guard isn't touching the wheel, so that's all still fine.
That piece where it comes out from the chassis there has got a 40 mil box inside that as well.
And someone's beating you up down this side.
There's probably more myself. I think people
Right.
slide into them in the corners.
And a certain number of bars around it. And they go racing and have a good time. And hopefully don't get too hurt because they've got some safety gear and a seat and bars around them. And Mike did an okay job of wiring it. I think he wired two. It goes better now. Put some better numbers on the startup so it starts better.
Yeah.
Excellent. Right, go racing. New Zealand champs. Couple of deer over there. We're picking up some hay. And our driver's over 80 years old, well into his 80s, still farming. And we're picking up hay. I think I'd rather be hooning cars up and down the driveway, but got to be done. You help your neighbours out. That's for me, Mike. She's appreciating your compliments. Seeing you think she's so cute there, Mike. Sick individual.